I love my pets, they're literally the lights of my life, but they definitely make it so my house isn't as clean as I wish it was. Hoover's Steam Complete Pet handheld steam cleaner can give us the best of both worlds: cute pets to cuddle with and sparkling clean floors. What's up, everyone? I'm Devin Howard, on Instagram as @DevinHoward, back again with another episode of Unbox This. If you have spent any time with me, you know I'm the type of person to point out every single dog I see on the street. I can't help it, I'm obsessed. I grew up with dogs and cats. Pets are a really big part of my life, but I can't lie to you guys and say that I love finding their fur, the dirt they tracked inside, or worse, their accidents on my floors. Keeping the house as tidy as I like to have it is tough with a puppy or kitten, but it is possible. Let's talk about Hoover's Steam Complete Pet. It is time to unbox this. Okay, right here we have the user manual. This looks like the handle. Let's unbag this. It comes with 2 multi-surface microfiber pads. Here we have the hose. And then in this bag we have various attachments and hookups for your steam cleaner. This has got to be the water basin. This is the bottom of the steam cleaner. And that's what comes in the box. I'm going to put this all together and then we'll talk about the Hoover Steam Complete Pet. Whenever I'm getting ready to buy a new home appliance, I always have to ask myself, do I have enough room to store this? The Steam Complete Pet is small and narrow enough to be tucked away in a closet, and for a steam cleaner, it's really lightweight. This handheld attachment right here makes it easy to steam clean counters, sinks, and other higher up areas. It's hard to believe that something so manageable in size can be a 10-in-1 all-purpose cleaner. This Hoover cleaner will freshen up your hardwood, tile, carpet, vinyl, laminate, linoleum, ceramic, porcelain, and stone with the natural cleaning power of steam. It can also work to remove tough stains on your floor and grout and gently clean your fabric like couch cushions. And when it comes to your pets, it'll totally clean and deodorize whatever mess he or she makes. It comes with 2 controls so you can adjust your level of steam depending on how big the mess is. The scrubbing pads like this one are washable, and when you're done with them, just clean them up and they're ready to be reused. This steam cleaner will save you from getting on your hands and knees scrubbing the floors until they're shiny and clean. This handheld device does all of that grunt work for you. Pets are a total joy to have, a blessing really, but even the cutest, fuzziest, smartest animals aren't clean all the time, which is why the Hoover Complete Pet Steam Cleaner is a must-have for dog dads and cat moms. If you're ready to deep clean your floors, check the link in the description to buy one of these for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Let me know in the comment section below if you have a pet at home. I think this might actually help you. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!